Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find GTA5.exe file for FiveM. Alright, let's begin. When installing FiveM, you may be asked to locate the GTA5.exe file and the main GTA5 directory. To do this, you need to find where GTA5 is installed on your computer. In most cases, the game is installed in a default location, and you can check there first. If you cannot find it manually, you can locate it directly through your game launcher. If you are using Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on GTA 5, select Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. This will open the GTA 5 installation folder where you can see the GTA5.exe file. If you are using Epic Games, open your library, find GTA 5, click the three dots next to it, and select Manage. From there, click the folder icon to open the game directory. If you are using Rockstar Games Launcher, open Settings, go to My Installed Games, select GTA 5, and click the folder icon next to the installation path. So that's basically how you can find GTA5.exe file for FiveM. That's it for this video. Thanks.